Hello and welcome to Zippo Lion's Den. I would like to show you this lighter I recently received. The seller had it listed as a 1975 Venetian. The Venetian came out in 1974, so this is at least a 1975. I think it might be a 1974, and I'll show you why. Because you can barely see the bottom stamp. You can clearly see the 4 slashes on the left. On the right, you can't see jack squat. I can make out a couple for sure, but when you look really close, like with my nearsightedness, I swear I see 4. So it's a possible 74, definite 75, which only puts it a year off. It works. It was really dirty. I had to clean her up. But this would be the oldest Venetian I have. I'll list it as a 75 in my collection, but it might possibly be a 1974. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.